In this video we will look at AutoAlex Cars' YouTube channel and see how much money he is making. Now let's get started. He created his channel since October 4, 2021. He has 692,000 subscribers. Until now total uploaded 164 videos. And now let's go over AutoAlex Cars' channel analytics. This is statistics views for AutoAlex Cars' channel. Daily views, 90,636 views. Weekly views, 688,050 views. Monthly views, 2,719,079 views. Total views, 85,793,000 views. Next, video performance on AutoAlex Cars' channel. This is the latest videos for AutoAlex Cars' channel. This video has gotten 92,000 views and 402,000 views. The estimated income AutoAlex Cars with the latest videos, $368 and $1,608 since published on YouTube. And this is the most popular video for AutoAlex Cars' channel. This video has gotten 1,900,000 views since published on YouTube. The estimated income AutoAlex Cars with the most popular video, $7,600 since published on YouTube. Now how much money AutoAlex Cars makes on YouTube. And this is the estimated income for AutoAlex Cars' channel. Estimated monthly earnings, $11,000. Estimated yearly earnings, $111,000. And the last, the estimated all-time revenue AutoAlex Cars' channel, $343,172.